megalayapost.news. Kum ka jing ela liki khna school bakin sei madan ya kisap ki phong ki badan chapang kata ka jing start sayan ne kabut tri kam kat kum ka jing start sayan kalot academy secondary school sauryang manta ka sngi kala panlong da ka science exhibition halor ka phang innovation is the key to the future ya ka science exhibition lawan ban play pa ba do mla ka umroi ba daman ba lamare kum kong san bala sakilang ru na ka jing don lang principal kalot academy father francis c kinohi kai ki khna school ki kimi ki pambat ki principal jong ki school ki bayajan bat ka te ka school puli la sakhiru leng ba ka ni science exhibition ki khna school ki lapan iya kisap ki phong baki don ban shnai ki judging shna ba pher ki bolong kat kum ki jing start sayan bat ya ki te ki jing shna ba pher ru ki khna school ki la ban batai ha kanu kur kom ki shna bat pen wandur ka bolong hi kum ka ta ka jing start sayan ha bakran ha ka sngi kong san umla ka umroi ba daman ba lamareu lapan shulur ki khna school bandang tureshi tom ha kisap baki don ban long ru kita ki khna ki badon ka akor ka burom bat ban burom yela ki no hikai bat ki kimi ki pa rang bakin la ban poi saka thong jong ka jingim shushu ulai ro ru ye ki bor pania jong ka school ki bala penlong yakum kani program ban iron san ki khna school ban sei la kisap ki phong bat ukermens kamru leng ba ka jingdon kum kini ki runsan ban pensulur ki khna school bakindang yo mensiam bandang wat company shapang ka jing start sayan ka balong ka jing mentoi na ka bentak lawai ka jongki.
Our model is a hologram. A hologram is a technique that enables us to create a 3D picture or image of anything we want, which also helps us to study cases. So here we are using our phone in which we are playing.
Human beings have shown that the canal water should purify the treated for how to go to the river after some.
Creativity and scientific spirit. Science, as we know, is not confined to textbook or laboratories. It is a way of thinking, questioning, and exploring the world around us. Through this exhibition, our young minds have ventured beyond the boundaries of classrooms to bring their imagination to life-turning aspects into creations and theories into tangible ideas. Each models and display you see today is the result of hard work, teamwork, and countless hours of inquiry. These exhibitions are not merely projects, they are expressions of our students' passion to understand how and why things happen. They remind us that science is the driving force of process and progress. From simple discoveries to transformative innovations that shape our modern world. At Lord's Academy, we firmly believe that education must awaken curiosity rather simply providing answers. Events like this nurture analytical thinking, problem solving, and innovation, the very quality our nation needs for a brighter and sustainable future. I am proud to say that our students have lived up to that vision with enthusiasm and commitment. I take this moment to express my sincere appreciation to all teachers who guided and motivated the students patiently throughout their journey.
Kiawan ada ke phone call, hilayo hero banyak kendo, banyak keren bentar bikin code ban invite yang ada bentar kali ke program, kabelong bentar ke sini kali ke science exhibition, jong kali ke school, kabel bentar. Ada yang jing dokumen, bad hulu, kadai ke sen ke penengkong, ngayu kejat, apa jong kali ke school, Lord's Academy Secondary School. Hoi apa ya lenti, lapun sing ai, ya kali ke school, ke peling ke pulau. Ya lenti senang, ya senang lu kan ni, ya cetis pom sorry yang rola kan ni lenti. Ngasih i kali ke school, tangam pajoyolan ban wan kup gini ke program, ni ngapa yolan ban wan ban pet ni ban ya ai por lang bat kali ke school, bat kena kali ke school. Nah timpok tilweng, bagani kan lots Academy Secondary School kanang la so ban pumi yaki kena ki bastat baci kena ki papas ki kena ki ban sapas ki ban select na ke school ro ki long ki kena ki long ki kena ki pumi haki rong ki paparnai ki paper hai ngar ngambon ki kenten ban keren tangkawai ngakwa kendek ngakwa ban keren ni kini kena school ka ban jrong ka menti ban yai kumbala ai tu kena itu kucing ruai hai burabi kimegi kapa kata ga de sisa da burabi kimegi kapa tumya ga jingkerku lalo ga jingim ga jongpi da burabi kimegi kapa ga jongpi kilangri kinong sumare pi na do pinang red na do pinang sedang menyoi ke partai kita kimegi kapa kilangri kinong sumare pi halo ba pindah hai but awero menta ga juk partai pemerintah bapon kini kena kimnang rapan buram yala ki nong hikai ki jongki lene ki teachers ki jongki manau yepi kena kini kena school ki bae da kimnang ban buram ki nong hikai ki jongpi kadai ka jingdo nong ka jongpi namar ni I ko pemerintah ki bo ki kena ki sultanat ban sian lene ban kai Lene ban bain ban khoi kino hikai lene ban buram re ban misbehave lene ban discipline kino hikai kata ga de jing dong nong ka jong phi da buram me ki pina la so ban yo ga jina ji start bakam kham yar so da pin nang ban buram me kino hikai jong phi kan de ga jing dong nong ka jong phi bat tang kat to kan ni pin la ban pule pinam yo sore ga jing pule ka bapaka da kan mau bhai ka ne na mar ngaro kawai ki por nga set long kumpi ngala so tho ina de nangim nang ban buram bikinong hikai ka de ka jindo nang ba ka jong hi ka jong nga bat ka jong phi da ga ne ka por hoy na tharai ba menta ka de ka science exhibition day tharai ki khna jong ni ka school lo ki la pan khre ya ki ba pher tharai kita ki jing pin I ka jong ki apa ka ni science exhibition ngangi tharai ka don sejrong momis barok min select pechibet kan long ka bi tnat Bahasa sistem apa ban penerapian kumbala keren dari father mene bato nginsang ban perkiu lene ban pet kenja kalong kum kenja skill kumba yato father mene hapo karuhil kadon gowe go oto kepala abon kepala bo syarut lami klau utawe kena ubrapa pas barat tanya kelas 3 kelas 4 ulala ban sa ya ka helikopter daga oto kata ga de jing start ka jing nam donu te wala tare mde bangai mersi me pi ba ta khna pule lamar menta ko ba dui menta ke sni de jok menta klem do pule tang uspe pa no pi khoi ya ki toilet ni thau sumro umyo tre le nei u driver ro klem de qualification ga no umyo ra ban thap jing tre no ro te pule ba tresitam ga no kam pule Kadang bah gawe na gawe kisni paniya pang kahit usok pati ang agajing ka jong pi.
Megalayapost.news